Hey Nam fam, this is Desiree with Monsterpiece Kennel, the owner and founder of the North American Mastiff. And these are some 3-week-old puppies, and the mama really doesn't like to feed them that much. So we are going to try to feed them for the very first time. So this is like a dog food and goat milk formula. Some get the hang of it, some don't. There we go. Kind of like babies. You kind of got to give them a little taste. And then some go for it. You got to show them. Come on. Go to it. Go. She's like, oh my God. Oh, is that what it is? Oh no. Come here. And yes, we do get messy. Come here. Oh, don't get it, don't get it. Come here. Come on, look. Look. Are you getting a little puppy? Try someone else. Oh, don't step in it. Come here. Come here. Oh. Maybe S.O.B. Stop. Stop. Good, good, good. Come on, little guy. This is what people don't show you. They get messy. Come here. Come here. Sometimes they don't grasp the concept of going to the bowl. God dang, dude. Let me get the other ones out. Come on, look, the bowl. There we go. Come on, little girl. Come on, little girl. Come on. And yes, messy, messy. Hold on, hold on. Come here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, get out of the bowl. There we go. Yes, this is super messy. Yeah, look. That's funny. This is the very, very first time you're eating. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Then you gotta pick it up, put it in your hand, then lick it off. Come here, dude. There we go. There we go. Baby S.O.B. got it. Come here, mamas. Like right now, they only really know to like suck. So that's why you want to take it slow and just have gruel so they can like suck the milk. So like after this, we will definitely be getting baths. She got a lot. You gotta roll with the punches when you're a breeder. You gotta do what it takes to make sure they get enough. Whether it's hand feeding them, giving them formula. Sometimes you have to take a syringe and syringe feed them just to get them to start. Some dogs just love to suck on their mom and they don't want to take the food. But they know that I'm always supplementing them, so I'm like their second mom, so they're willing to eat from my hand. Come on, Mars. Come here. Are we good? How many minutes? Alright, now we have to give them all baths. Somebody said they want to see day in a life. This is what we got to do. I don't give them bath every single day, but like it's the first time they ever ate, so they don't really understand how to get in a bowl. So they got dirtier than normal. But once they learn how to get in the bowl, then they don't get as dirty. And I always use Dawn. This is Dawn. Green Dawn. It doesn't matter what kind of Dawn. Because if it's safe for wildlife, it's safe for puppies. So you want to make sure it's lukewarm. First time they've ever been in the water. So some like it, some don't. Oh, she's liking it. This is a tawny harlequin female. My last video, I said a tawny was a tawny harlequin. I was going fast. Jumping to different subjects. And it doesn't burn their eyes. That's another reason why I use Dawn. You can use puppy shampoo, but some puppy shampoos aren't necessarily good. I've had dogs break out from puppy shampoo, but I've never had a puppy break out from Dawn. So when they're this young, these are only 3-week-old puppies. You kind of want to use something mild, like Dawn. Their little paws. It's like babies wiping their little face. Wipe their little face. This is Isis's first litter, so she really doesn't know. You know, I like waited 2 years to breed her. So I wanted to make sure she grew properly and got, you know, the best that she could be. So she really doesn't, she's not used to puppies like her sister Smurfette. Her sister Smurfette's a little bit older. So Smurfette loves her puppies, but Isis is like, I'm done. Take them to the daycare. And that's what I am. I'm the daycare. So we gotta give her a bath. Now, I'm just gonna rinse her real quick. And you don't want it too hot. You don't want it too cold. And then if you're gonna give them a bath, you also want to make sure, like, where you're going to put them at after, it has, like, a heat lamp. Or, you know, your heater's heated up. The room's heated. Little paws. Got a little neck. Eventually, when I move, I will have a dog facility. And you always want to hold the ears down so they don't get water in their ears. And I try not to get it on their face because I don't you know, put the water directly in their face. I don't want to shell shock them not to like baths. And I've already clipped their ears once. Now we're all clean. And they are patiently awaiting baths, full bellies. And she is getting dried off more. And then we'll put her in a clean basket. And that's the mess. Every day. Once a day, I'm going to start to feed them once a day. And then I go to 2 times a day. And then I'm going to give them to their mom. So she is getting done. And she already did get a manicure for my daughter yesterday. She cut the nails. So we're everyday hands-on with these dogs. Every day. We're cutting nails, touching them, feeding them. That's why they're socialized well as puppies, because every day we're doing something with them. So, all right, I'm going to get to giving all these dogs a bath. Puppy number 2. And my handy dandy assistant is cleaning out their little area so we can put them back in. And she's pretty good in the water. But this is what separates the good dog breeders from the bad. Most people don't even give their dogs a bath. And we do. Some people do, some people don't. So my daughter already cut the front nails, but she didn't do the back nails. You know, you want to do the front ones so they don't scratch the mom's boobs, give them mastitis. Don't cut the mom in any sort of way because the mom, you know, she doesn't really like to feed them as much now. So this is how you cut a puppy's toenails. You just right there, see how it just hangs off? Just cut right where it hangs off. Don't go any shorter than that. So just put the thing right there. See where it hangs off? No shorter than that. Any shorter, and you're going to make them bleed. When I first started, I used to make them bleed all the time. When I had German Shepherds. Because, of course, they're going to move. And puppy number 1 and puppy number 2 are done. And now we got all these other puppies to wash. Look, and go to third puppy done, and now we dry. My handy dandy assistant was not with me while I gave him a bath. She was cleaning up the area you just seen. 4th puppy gets a bath. And my assistant is back. Good, you don't want to put water on the face. So you just wash rag, get the stuff off. All right. And now we get a dry. Lots and lots of towels. And another one. You can keep drying them off. All right, this one's gonna get a bath. And another one. Blue male. Can we get a new bath? And baby S.O.B. Get bath for the first time. My assistant is drying. So it's just me. in a bath. Sorry, I only have 2 hands. Do I change out water every 2 dogs or every dog, depending on how dirty they are. Blue Harlequin female. See, I'm ready for my bath. Last but not least, tawny female. Ooh, ooh. She's trying to drink the water. You start giving them water. Stop.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. And Mama has returned. And another one. Smurfette. Did she just get food on them?
Yeah. She was eating it.
Say I'm a good mamas. I'm a good mamas. So they're getting topped off with their mom. Who is getting tired of them at 3 weeks. I've already dewormed them, treated them for coccidia, and the dewormer also does Giardia as well. So I just cover all bases, and they got their dew claws cut off at 3 days old. Figured I would explain a little bit more about the whelping boxes. Some dogs like to be in a den environment. See how it's enclosed and they got a heat lamp. I did just give them a bath. I want to make sure they're warm. But this whelping box creates like a den-like atmosphere. So a lot of dogs like this type of area. And all around is PVC. Up at the top is wood that some of them chew, which isn't good. But the inner part where all the dogs normally touch is PVC. And the bottom is vinyl. Whereas Smurfette's box is bigger. Smurfette's a big girl. And she needs more area. And I can get in there with her. This is normally the box that I feed them in also. So this is the bigger box. She's a good mom. She likes to stand up. So only the ones that stand up can eat instead of laying down. Come on, watch out. Don't look out. What are you doing? And all are pretty much full, but one's still eating. The one in the back laying down. She cares. She's just a little bit overwhelmed with a lot. Quit. Good girl. They all got their fill.